Hello, grade 5 students. Today our science lesson will be about what are other objects in the sky. So, please watch the video on the online task slide, complete the questions provided, and read the summary written on each slide. Watch the videos on the slides number 6, 7, 11, 13, and 15. Complete the questions on the slides in the areas provided, and then finally do the online assessment on Edmodo after completing the lesson. So, what are other objects in the sky? At the end of this lesson, you will be able to obtain information to recognize the different objects in our solar system. You will be able to identify asteroids. You will be able to differentiate meteors and meteorites. You will be able to recognize comets. You will be able to identify dwarf planets and some of their characteristics. So on page 487, look at the picture, please, and what do you think this object in the sky is, which is this one right here? Please type your answer. So the online task, go to the video found in the link right here and answer the following questions from the video. Which of the planets is known as the blue planet? Where is the sun located in relation to the solar system? Which two planets do not have moons revolving around them? And which of the 8 planets supports life? So, asteroids. You can watch a video here about asteroids, and you'll know that an asteroid is a large object that revolves around the sun. Some asteroids are very large, and some asteroids are very small as a grain of sand. Now, most asteroids orbit the sun in a very large region between Mars and Jupiter that is called the asteroid belt. Now, look here. You can see this is Jupiter and this is Mars. There's an asteroid belt, very large one right here, that orbits this area right here where all the asteroids are found. So based on this information and from your book, why can we not call an asteroid a planet? Please type your answer. So on page 490, you'll see a question that asks, why do asteroids do not have a round shape? Please type your answer below. Now, meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites. Meteoroids are small rocks that move through the solar system. However, a meteor is a visible streak of light that occurs when a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere and burns up. The meteoroid that reaches the ground with some of it still intact is called a meteorite. Now let's investigate what that all means together through the video right here. You can watch the video and you will understand the difference between all three. And when you're done, please answer this question. What is the difference between a meteoroid, meteor, and meteorite? On page 491, you will find a question that asks, what happens when a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere? Please type your answer here. Alright, comets. You can find a video right here that explains comets. A comet is a small mass of rock, dust, and frozen gas that orbits the sun in an oval shape. It looks something like this. Now, based on the information, what happens when a comet's orbit is near the sun? Do comets have their own light? And where are comets found? Please type your answers. On page 492, you'll find a question that asks you, how are stars and comets different? Please type your answer here. Alright, last but not least, dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are celestial round objects that are too small to be considered planets. However, they are too large to fall into smaller categories. You can watch the video right here that explains the dwarf planets and it tells you examples about them. So, based on this information, please tell me what are the 5 known dwarf planets. On page 493, you will find a question that asks you, how are Pluto and Earth alike and how are they different? Please type your answer. Thank you so much. Stay safe and have a great day, grade 5.